Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glow logo video on CapCut PC. So select your logo. I'm just going to use CapCut's logo, and I'm just going to extend this for a few seconds, I guess, and then I'm just going to go to library and I'm going to add in a white stock video. You'll see why we need that in a minute. Freeze frame it. And we're going to go to effects and we're going to go to nightclub. Well, I think it's a nightclub. It is like the colorful one, and you're just going to add it in the effect right here. Then we are going to select the video, go to blend mode and select the linear burn. And then we're going to find the neon outline, which is under comic. I think I need to get my eyes checked again, sorry. Okay, it's under cartoon, and you're going to place it in the video, and you're also going to find edge glow. I think it's under light effect. Okay, it's not. It's under edge glow. I think it's under lens. Yeah, it's under lens. Sorry, they changed it so that we can't find the effect anymore, which is not great. And you're just going to adjust the glow. And as you can see, it changes color. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!